Subscribe to our channel for the latest update videos.
Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient forest, lived a wise barred owl named Ollie. Ollie had large, round eyes that gleamed like polished marbles and feathers that shimmered under the moonlight. His call echoed through the trees each night, a soft, haunting melody that lulled the forest creatures to sleep. Ollie lived in a cozy hollow of an old oak tree, high above the ground. His home was lined with soft moss and fragrant pine needles, making it the perfect place to rest during the day. At night, Ollie would perch on a sturdy branch and gaze at the stars, always waiting for his favorite time, when the midnight moon would rise high in the sky. One magical night, as the clock struck 12 and the moonlight bathed the forest in a silver glow, Ollie noticed something unusual. A tiny, shimmering creature fluttered through the air, leaving a trail of sparkles behind. It was Luna, the moon fairy, known to grant wishes to those with kind hearts. "Good evening, Ollie," Luna greeted with a twinkle in her eye. "I have come to ask for your help." Ollie tilted his head, curious. "What kind of help do you need, Luna?" "The moonlight has dimmed because the moonstone is missing," Luna explained. "Without it, the magic that lights up the night sky will fade away." Ollie knew the forest like the back of his wing. If anyone could find the moonstone, it was him. "I will help you, Luna," he hooted softly. "Let's find the moonstone together." Luna smiled gratefully and sprinkled a handful of fairy dust over Ollie. "This will help us on our journey," she said, and with that, they flew off into the night. Their first stop was the Meadow of Dreams, where fireflies danced in the grass. Ollie and Luna asked the fireflies if they had seen the moonstone. One tiny firefly named Flicker remembered seeing a shiny object near the Whispering Willow. Following Flicker's directions, Ollie and Luna reached the Whispering Willow. Its branches swayed gently, as if whispering secrets to the wind. As they searched the ground, Luna spotted a glimmer of light. It was the moonstone, nestled among the roots. Just as they were about to retrieve it, a mischievous squirrel named Squeaky darted out and grabbed the stone. "It's mine," he chattered, his eyes gleaming with mischief. Ollie flapped his wings and landed gracefully in front of Squeaky. "Please, Squeaky," he said kindly. "The moonstone is very important. Without it, the night sky will lose its light." Squeaky paused, looking at the moonstone and then at Ollie. "I didn't know it was so important," he squeaked. "I just thought it was a pretty pebble." Luna floated down and touched Squeaky's tiny paw. "If you return the moonstone, the moon will shine brightly again, and I'll grant you a wish." Squeaky's eyes widened. "Really?" he asked. "Well, in that case, here you go." He handed the moonstone to Luna, who placed it carefully in her pouch. "Thank you, Squeaky," Luna said. "Now, close your eyes and make a wish." Squeaky closed his eyes tight and whispered his wish. In a flash of light, his wish came true. The moonstone glowed brightly, and the moonlight returned to its full, brilliant glory. Ollie and Luna flew back to the ancient oak tree, their hearts full of joy. "Thank you, Ollie," Luna said. "You've saved the night." As the forest creatures celebrated under the radiant moon, Ollie returned to his cozy hollow. He felt a warm glow of happiness, knowing he had helped restore the magic of the midnight moon. And from that night on, whenever the moon shone brightly in the sky, the forest creatures would remember the brave barred owl and the kind moon fairy who made it all possible.